Let's start with the next miscellaneous series. Okay, this is again a very common type of question. We will solve this question with the help of two methods. Okay, one is a general method and second one is with the help of options. Okay, so let's start solving this question. What I will do is I will take k is equal to 2 plus double 2 plus triple 2 and so on. Okay, likewise there are n terms are there. Let's take this addition is equal to k. Okay, so the first step, I hope everyone knows the first step. Let's take 2 common. Okay, if I take 2 common, we left with 1 plus double 1 plus triple 1 plus 4 times 1 and so on. Okay, so now over here after this we need to make one adjustment. Why we need to make adjustment, I will explain you. Okay, so what is that adjustment? Okay, we are supposed to divide this by 9 and we are supposed to multiply it by 9. Okay, why we need to multiply it by 9 and divide it by 9? Let's have a look at it. So what happens after we multiply it by 9? Okay, let's have a look at it. 2 by 9 into this bracket will become 9 plus double 9 plus triple 9 and so on. Okay, till n terms. So now we can write 9 as 10 to the power 1 minus 1. Okay, 99 as 10 to the power 2 minus 1, 999 as 10 to the power 3 minus 1 and so on. And the last term is nth term. We can write it as 10 to the power n minus 1. Okay, I hope everyone understood this, why we need to multiply it by 9 and divide it by 9. Okay, to get this kind of pattern. Okay, so this is a very common type of question, so we should remember these kind of steps. Okay, so now over here the next step is 2 by 9. Okay, so what I will do is I will take all 10 to the power n, 10 to the powers in one bracket. Okay, so 10 to the power 1 plus 10 to the power 2 plus 10 to the power 3 till 10 to the power n. Okay, total there are n brackets are there. In every bracket minus 1 is there. Okay, so minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, how many times? It is n times. Okay, so it becomes minus n. Okay, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 n times, that is equal to minus n. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so we need to convert this into the format in which options are there. Okay, so now over here we can see that this bracket is nothing but geometric progression. Okay everyone, so now this is equal to 2 by 9 in a bracket. Okay, so now this bracket, in this bracket first term is 10 into the value of r is, look here, first term is 10 into the value of r is 10 to the power number of terms is n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. R minus 1 is how much? R minus 1 is 10 minus 1. Okay, and minus n as it is. We used the formula to find the sum of n terms in geometric progression. Okay, so this is our answer. So which option is in this format? Okay, second option. So our answer is second option. Okay everyone, so likewise we can solve this. Okay, so this is first method. The second method is by using options how we can solve. Let's have a look at it. Okay, now look here. So we need to find sum till n terms. Okay, if I put n is equal to 2, look here, if I put n is equal to 2, the sum is supposed to be what? If I put n is equal to 2 means we are interested only in 2 terms, that is first term is 2 and second term is 22. So this sum is supposed to be 24. Okay, so now what we are going to do is in every option we are going to put n is equal to 2 now. Okay, and we'll see which option gives us 24 as answer. Okay, in the first option, look here, in the first option if I put n is equal to 2, okay, I am going to put n is equal to 2 everywhere. Okay, so this becomes 10 into, okay, this becomes 10 into 100 minus 1 is how much? 99. Okay, and then minus 2 divided by 27. Okay everyone, so this is how much? 990. Okay, 990 minus 2 is how much? 988 divided by 27. Okay, 990 minus 2 is 988 divided by 27. This is not divisible by 9. Okay, so this is not going to be an integer. Okay, so option A is eliminated like this. Second option, look here, 2 by 9 into 10 to the power 2 is how much? 99. Okay, 100 minus 1 is 99 divided by 9 minus 2. Okay, so if we solve this, what we will get? We will get 2 by 9 into, this is equal to how much? This is equal to 110 minus 2 is 108. So this is going to be how much? 2 into 12. Okay, that is equal to 24. Yes. Okay, so over here we got 24. It may possible that more than one option can give you 24 as an answer after putting n is equal to 2. Okay, in that case what we need to do, we need to put n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 3 or n is equal to 4 to eliminate that. Okay, so now let's check option number C. Now this is 1 by 9 into 20 into 99 divided by 9 minus n. Okay, minus n means minus 2. This is going to be how much? 1 by 9 into 11 into 20 is 220. 220 minus 2 is how much? 220 minus 2 is 218. Okay, this is not divisible by 9. Okay, so this option got eliminated. Now the last option, let's have a look at it. 4 by 9 into 10 to the power. Okay, 10 into 10 to the power n is 10 to the power 200 minus 1 is 99 divided by 9 minus n. Okay, minus n is how much? Minus 2. Okay everyone, so over here 2 by 9 got correct. Okay, so 4 by 9, this is not going to be 24 anyhow. Okay, so out of these 4 options, only one option gives us 24 as an answer after putting n is equal to 2, so we can mark option number B as answer. Okay everyone.